Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this file in use shell infrastructure host error, which has been happening for some time and it's not fixed yet. So the only solution for it to work is actually not use Windows Media Player. So this one. You want to go ahead, instead of Media Player, choose for example VLC or some other players you have. So for example, if I would play this video on Media Player and then try to rename this, as you can see, now we have this error. But if I try to open it with VLC, and then I go ahead and exit it, then if I try to rename it, it works just fine, as you can see. So it's a Media Player option and error. So you want to go ahead and use a different player for this to be fixed. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.